Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset browser data on the LENOVO K5 Play. To start out, you want to enter the browser of your choice. Here, the option to clear browser data will most likely be visible once you click here, History, and now you will see clear browsing data. You can click on it, choose the time range, and choose what you want to delete. Then you can clear data. This will clear all of the data from your browser. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.